Finally, there's a doctor who understands both a woman's medical needs and her desire to look good. Meet Dr. Catherine Wood, wife and mother, respected community physician, a specialist in women's health. A board-certified obstetrician and gynecologist, Dr. Wood has been in private practice in Plano for over a decade and serves on the staff of 2 major medical institutions.
As a doctor and a woman, I understand that the way a woman feels is often connected to the way she looks and the way she perceives herself. That's why I offer complete medical services, as well as a number of aesthetic treatments, all under one roof.
Through her gynecology practice, Dr. Wood treats a variety of health problems facing women today, many of them related to self-image. For example, many women find it difficult to lose weight safely and permanently. Dr. Wood and her staff are ready to assist with a proven weight loss program that emphasizes balanced nutrition and healthy lifestyle changes.
To know the fruits and vegetables and the minerals that you need to have in your body, which I knew I was not getting. And the water, she was talking about drinking 100 ounces of water a day. First I thought, oh my gosh, how could I do that, you know? But it actually works out. And so it was from that and just going on my yearly exam that, you know, discussing different health things with it, that I realized that it was really in my control, my health, and not, you know, a magic pill or, you know, a magic diet book or anything like that.
Good nutrition is essential not only in weight loss, but also in the fight against the effects of aging and the prevention of health problems. That's why Dr. Wood is among the many practitioners who recommend Juice Plus. Juice Plus products are the most thoroughly tested nutrition supplements available. They're packed with good whole food nutrition, and tests prove that Juice Plus really delivers those nutrients into the bloodstream. Research has shown that Juice Plus significantly increases the level of antioxidants in blood plasma. Other clinical trials have demonstrated a significant improvement in immune system function and in the reduction of DNA damage.
The quality and effectiveness of Juice Plus supplements are simply beyond question. That's why I take them and recommend them for my patients.
The way a woman feels physically is often connected to her self-image, and the way she feels about herself can also be affected by the outward signs of aging, especially skin quality.
Many women would like to take advantage of the modern skin therapies available, but they would feel more secure having them done by qualified medical personnel. That's why I started Dermalase as a companion to my medical practice.
Dermalase utilizes a variety of state-of-the-art laser systems to promote vibrant, healthy, youthful-looking skin. The innovative Laser Genesis system uses laser light to warm the upper layer of skin and thus reduce some of the visible signs of aging, such as diffuse skin redness and undesirable facial vessels. It also targets the deeper collagen layer to promote increased thickness and growth. Women experience improved skin texture, a reduction in pore size, and in redness and visible facial vessels. They see improvement in fine lines and wrinkles, as well as noticeably firmer and tighter skin. Pigment changes are softened as well. This comfortable, non-ablative therapy produces consistent results after each treatment without bruising or irritating the skin, and it requires no downtime or lengthy recovery period. The CoolGlide Excel laser is used to treat unsightly spider veins in all parts of the body, including the legs. Its unique design and longer wavelength allow the treatment of patients of all skin tones, even a suntan. CoolGlide treats the targeted vessels, leaving the surrounding tissue intact. As its name suggests, the CoolGlide laser's handpiece cools and soothes as it glides over the skin. Treatments take just a few minutes and are virtually painless. At most, you may feel a tiny stinging sensation. This goes away almost immediately after treatment. In general, all vascular areas require 2 to 3 treatments on the same areas for optimal results. The use of support hose is strongly advised for quicker results and fewer return visits. All this will be discussed in detail in your complimentary consultation.
Well, when I looked at my legs, it felt like I was getting old quick, and I didn't like that. I felt like too young to have older looking legs. I really didn't know what to expect when I came in for the treatments, but it ended up being less painful than I thought it would be. And as far as the recovery after, there was no problem at all. My husband has been very pleased with the results and thinks that I'm not having any grandma legs anymore.
The Cool Glide Excel laser is also used for the removal of unwanted hair. Laser hair removal is a great deal faster and infinitely more pleasant than electrolysis, and the results last far longer than shaving, waxing, and other methods. Lasers target melanin, or pigment in the follicle of rapidly growing hair. For that reason, a series of treatments must be performed, as not all hair is in an active growth phase at the same time. Dermalase owns several different types of lasers to achieve the best results quickly and painlessly. The Cool Glide is a unique, FDA-approved device which can treat suntanned and dark skin types. This type of laser is not commonly found in the Metroplex, but we offer it at Dermalase to provide optimal results on all of our patients.
You know, a best friend of my family, an elderly lady that I kind of called a grandma figure, she told me, she said, if you don't want to go through your entire life having to deal with this, get it taken care of when you're young, so then it's gone and you don't have to deal with it again. And that's what this procedure has done for me. It's very simple. There's no reason not to do it.
Lasers can also be used to remove tattoos. The YAG laser can significantly lighten or remove many tattoo inks. It works especially well on the colors blue, black, and red. It works by breaking up the pigment so that a patient's lymphatic system can flush it away naturally. Treatments are performed under local anesthesia about 2 months apart. Results are typically excellent, and with proper care after the procedure, skin scarring does not have to occur.
I come back from overseas and I was running with motorcycle people and we got just the tattoos and stuff, and I got into it pretty heavy and had on my forearms and everything, and just I was up there, I was wiring Dr. Woods' office and found out she was doing laser removal, and I had mentioned something about having, my wife wanted to have some hair removal done, and she got to picking at me about and having some stuff done. I was like, I don't need that. She goes, no, I can take your tattoos out. Well, I had never really thought about it. And the profession I'm in, I'm an electrician by trade, I'm a superintendent, and I deal a lot with people, and I got to talk to my wife about it, and I could see where it could enhance my career. So one thing led to another, and I got started taking them off. It enhances your career in anything you do, and your company looks at it, you know, as the way you present yourself to their customers. You know, that's where your career either can stop or go forward. And that's the position I'm in.
While the laser can work wonders with your skin, the technology is not without risk. For example, the use of laser is not recommended for use on infected sites, during pregnancy, or when taking drugs that may make you light sensitive. Laser skin therapy can result in reduced hair growth in the treated area, and the lasers used for hair removal and vein therapy cannot be used on tattoos. That's why Dr. Wood and her staff first obtain a medical history on every Dermalase candidate. To determine the safety and appropriateness of laser therapy, they must review a number of factors, including the use of certain medications and drugs, the presence of implants such as a pacemaker, and other conditions. Photographs will be made of the treatment area to document your baseline condition and to use for comparison following treatment. The treatment area will be cleansed to remove anything on your skin, such as makeup or sunscreen. For hair removal and spider vein therapy, the area will also be shaved. Burns of the skin can occur with the use of lasers, so to minimize this risk, we ask our patients to limit their exposure to the sun during treatment times and to use powerful sunblocks and cover-ups or hats for added protection. Each time you come in for a laser procedure, you will be asked to document your sun exposure. Suntanned skin is treated differently, but for safety purposes, skin which has been recently exposed or burned will not be a candidate for any laser procedure. Laser light is powerful enough to cause permanent eye damage. During treatment, you and the laser technician must both wear special protective eyewear to prevent accidental exposure. The special demands of laser technology point to the importance of choosing a medical clinic, staffed with highly trained and closely supervised personnel for your laser skin treatments. That's the advantage you have as a Dermalase client.
State law will soon require that a doctor, nurse practitioner, or physician's assistant be on site at all times for any kind of laser treatment. That's another good reason to choose Dermalase. It grew out of my medical practice, not a beauty salon. So we're in full compliance with the spirit and the letter of the law.
Microdermabrasion is a gentle and safe treatment that reduces fine lines, age spots, stretch marks, scars, and other superficial blemishes. It can also be used to treat sun-damaged skin. A stream of fine crystals and mild suction create a gently abrasive action that removes the upper layer of dead skin cells. This allows the healthy layer beneath to come to the surface. The result is softer, smoother skin. Microdermabrasion is non-invasive and entirely painless. A complete facial treatment usually takes less than 1 hour.
I have always had issues with just smooth skin and just hormonal breakouts and that kind of thing. And I've frequented spas over the years and gone through all of that, and those are kind of the feel-good treatments. But what I found here is that along with, it is actually a really good feel-good treatment here also, but I've seen results. I've seen great results. I've found that I don't even have the breakouts in between anymore, and it's done tremendous for the refinement of the pores, and I've been very pleased.
Botox injection is one of the most popular cosmetic treatments in America. Botox is a natural, purified protein that relaxes the muscles that cause angry-looking frown lines, as well as lines in the forehead caused by repeatedly lifting eyebrows, and lines around the eyes commonly referred to as crow's feet. Just one 10-minute treatment consisting of a few tiny injections and those frown lines will disappear. No surgery, no recovery, and the results last about 4 months. Botox is safe, widely tested, and FDA approved. Side effects include minor bruising and occasionally some temporary drooping of the eyelid, which will reverse in a short time. Collagen is part of the skin's support structure. Lines and wrinkles form when this natural collagen thins due to age, heredity, sun exposure, and other factors. Collagen replacement therapy replenishes this support, literally filling in the lines and wrinkles. It's also used to add definition to lip borders. Results are immediate and last 3 to 6 months on average. Test sites with bovine collagen are advised 1 month before the first injection. At Dermalase, you can also enjoy the benefits of glycolic peels, a technique that literally peels off the effects of sun and age. Glycolic peels are safe for the face, neck, chest, and hands. Some research suggests that glycolic peels actually reduce the risk of skin cancer when performed on a regular basis. The Echo 2 treatment cleans, exfoliates, hydrates, and oxygenates the skin. It nourishes and rejuvenates at the cellular level, giving strength to the tissues that keep your face firm and smooth. The result is the most sensational skin ever. A healthy body and a healthy appearance. They go together in giving you a healthier, more youthful outlook on life. Finally, you've found a doctor who understands how important both are to you and who offers the services you need conveniently under one roof. Dr. Catherine Wood.
I designed my office to give you comfort and privacy, and staffed it with professionals who will give you knowledgeable, enthusiastic, and personal care. Come see us soon. I know you'll enjoy the experience.
Any of the skincare specialists in our office will be happy to schedule a private consultation for you. Or if you'd simply like more information, you're invited to our website, dermalase.net.